One of the biggest fears of our patients, especially children in the office or clinic, is the fear of needles and the conventional dental anesthesia. But today, there is a solution that not only reduces patients' fears but also significantly helps with branding and attracting patients. Painless injection device for Soga. But now, does this device really reduce pain? How much does it cost and what is its mechanism of action? Most of the patient's pain is due to the high pressure of the anesthetic entering the tissue. According to new articles, these devices, with a digital injection pressure control mechanism, can reduce the patient's pain during the injection by 75% and also create deeper anesthesia. This device, with 3 different modes, slow, medium, and slow, can help us in various applications, including filters, blocks, PDL, and other applications. And of course, this device, with its automatic aspiration capability, playing music during injection, and displaying the pressure and volume of the injected fluid in real time, will make it safer for us than just an injection device. Additionally, the 2-year warranty, Swiss motor, autoclave capability, and its ease of use compared to traditional syringes, along with the lightweight design, completely set this device apart from its competitors. This device is designed in 3 models, Smart 1, Smart 2, and Smart 3 by the Soga company, and is popular among dentists worldwide. Nutrident, the exclusive representative in Iran and the UAE. By dentists, for dentists,